Shiba Inu's massive whale activity could have a huge impact on the token's price. So, if you have any interest in Shiba Inu or you hold any Shib tokens, then you can't afford to miss this video. So, what is the latest Shiba Inu coin news, and how will all of this affect the value of Shiba Inu? In today's video, I will be answering these questions, and I'm going to be telling you all of the price-boosting information that has just come out about Shiba Inu. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch until the end to not miss out on any information. Also, just before we go any further, this channel has a daily giveaway of 1 million Shiba tokens. To enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and comment hashtag Shiba Inu. Good luck. But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 4th of November, shall we? Shiba Inu's price today is around 1,712 units. Shib's price is up 1% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $443 million. The token also currently has a market cap of over $10 billion, ranking it as the 14th most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video. This content is not financial advice. Now, let's get into today's video. Bullish Shiba Inu signal here as price shows 0% volatility. Recently, Shiba Inu's volatility has dropped to almost zero, and the asset has been trading in an exceptionally narrow range. The price floor of 1,600 units has served as bull's first line of defense, and the token is remaining stable around it. A possible base forming before a big move could be indicated by low volatility on assets like Shib, which could be interpreted as a lack of excitement. Shib has been steadily declining in recent weeks. Nonetheless, it appears that the selling pressure has mostly subsided based on the current price stability. This makes it possible for bulls to take back control, as Shib has the breathing room it needs for a possible reversal due to a lack of strong bearish momentum. In particular, if market sentiment regarding meme tokens improves, the conditions for a breakout may be favorable if Shib can maintain this support. However, it is important to remember that a quiet market does not necessarily indicate a robust recovery. The absence of aggressive selling is encouraging, but it does not always indicate that buyers are prepared to intervene and raise the price. Increased trading volume and rekindled buyer interest are necessary for Shib to actually break out of this range. An encouraging indication that Shib might start to rise again would be a push above the resistance level of 1,700 units. At this time, Shiba Inu owners should keep an eye out for indications of heightened trading activity and price fluctuations in the vicinity of this level. Bulls may be able to push Shib above the range of recent consolidation, which would lead to a longer rally. On the other hand, further weakness would be indicated by a breakdown below the current support. If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. But keep watching to find out the latest Shiba Inu updates and what the future could hold for the Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu rockets 361% in whale activity. Bullish. The latest data from Into the Block shows that large-scale transactions in Shiba Inu have increased by over 361% in the past 24 hours. The number of transactions in USD went from 10.95 million to $39.6 million, with the total amount of Shib going from 628.55 billion to 2.34 trillion tokens. This is a pretty big jump in Shib activity among big holders, who made 147 transactions over $100,000 in the indicated time period. This surge in major Shib transactions suggests that major investors, also known as whales, are getting more interested. This does make one wonder why these moves are happening in the popular meme-based cryptocurrency right now. When whales are active, it can mean they are building up their holdings or getting ready to sell. Either way, it will have an impact on the price performance of the Shiba Inu token. Unfortunately for Shib fans, the inflow and outflow trends suggest a bearish undertone to this activity. During the period we reviewed, the large holders' net flow metric went from a positive inflow of 79.95 billion Shib to a negative outflow of 575.3 billion Shib. This change in net flow shows that large holders may be selling Shib instead of buying it. In short, the sudden spike in Shib whale transactions reflects the bearish nature of these movements based on current on-chain data. It seems that large players are moving Shib holdings out of their wallets rather than accumulating, which raises questions about the possibility of anything bullish for Shib in the foreseeable future. Now it's time for the main story of today's video. Shiba Inu team says Shib is only ERC20 token in top 10, loyal to Ethereum since day one. Calderia, a top developer in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, suggests that Shib is the #1 ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. According to Daria, Shiba Inu is the top-ranked ERC20 token on Ethereum in terms of market capitalization. The developer excluded stablecoins like USDC and UST, which are also ERC20 tokens, due to their presence on multiple blockchains. However, Daria contended that Shiba Inu has remained loyal to Ethereum since its launch, attracting significant value to the blockchain. The accompanying chart shows that Shiba Inu had a valuation of $10.39 billion. BITUNIX says Dogecoin deserves to be second most valuable crypto. The Shiba Inu developer made the assertion over the weekend in reaction to a statement from Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. Last week, BITUNIX said Dogecoin, Shiba Inu's major rival, deserves to be the second biggest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. This suggests that Buterin believes Doge should rank ahead of ETH, the native coin of the Ethereum blockchain. This comment triggered reactions among Shiba Inu community members, who took to X to air their comments. They believe Buterin should have spoken in favor of Shib instead of Doge due to Shiba Inu's accomplishments on Ethereum. While Shiba Inu officially launched on Ethereum, Dogecoin made its debut using the Litecoin architecture. Kusama wants to showcase Shib potential to Buterin. Amid the debate, Shiba Inu's lead developer, Satoshi Kusama, requested to showcase Shib's potential to Buterin in a 10-minute pitch. Kusama hinted that the presentation will highlight Shiba Inu's technologies, dedicated community, and decentralized governance system. The lead developer urged Shiba Inu enthusiasts to call Buterin's attention to his request. Shiba Inu is the best-performing asset globally. Expectedly, Shiba Inu community members complied with the directive, tagging and mentioning Buterin in different X posts. While urging Buterin to contact Kusama, famous community figure Digart claimed that Shib is the best-performing asset in the world. This claim aligns with a similar view Kusama shared recently. As reported earlier, Kusama suggested that Shiba Inu is the best-performing asset globally over the last decade, outperforming other financial instruments like Bitcoin and Tesla stock. On October 30, Kusama claimed that Shib had registered a lifetime gain of 33,774,726%. According to Kusama, Shiba Inu outperformed Bitcoin's growth by a whopping 6,600%. Shiba Inu has undoubtedly witnessed an incredible performance since its launch in August 2020. The token surged by over 153 million% in 14 months, from August 1, 2020 to October 28, 2021. Shib is currently trading at 1,677 units, down 80.6% from its all-time high. Despite the slump, the token is still up 29,946,328% in terms of lifetime gains. But Shib isn't the only project you should be looking into at the moment. I recently did a video on what could become the next Shiba Inu coin. Check out the video on screen to find out more. Thanks for watching.